In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the MACD indicator on TradingView so you can analyze momentum and trends more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look at the top toolbar and click on the Indicators button. This will open the indicator library. In the search bar, type MACD. You'll see multiple options appear, but choose the built-in one called Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Click on it and instantly the MACD indicator will be added below your main chart. You'll now see three main components: the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. These help you understand trend, strength, and momentum shifts in the market. If you want to customize it, hover over the MACD panel and click the settings icon. From there, you can adjust values, colors, or styles to match your trading strategy. That's it. You've successfully added the MACD indicator and can start using it to improve your chart analysis. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.